Hello everybody, greetings from EasyQuant. If you have filled the waitlist form for this algo trading software, you must have received this mail in your account. If you can't find this mail in your primary inbox, make sure you check out your updates and also your promotion section. You have to click on this link to download the algo trading software in your account, but before you do that, make sure you check out our YouTube video. In this video, we have explained the strategy in brief and also the features of the software in brief. If you like this video, make sure you leave us a like. Now moving on, let's download the algo trading software in the system. Here I have to click on download. Once the download is complete, we have to install the software in our system. Make sure you tick on the create desktop icon shortcut. Now let's install the software in our system. So this is how the software window looks like. These are the various fields that are provided to you. First is the quantity. Here you have to enter the number of lots you want to trade. This software trades in Nifty and Bank Nifty options on the basis of index alerts. So here you have to enter the quantity, that is the number of lots you want to trade. Maximum you can enter 5 lots. Next you have to enter expiry day and expiry month of the option chain that you want to trade. Suppose I want to trade the option chain of this Thursday, that is 1st of December. I will enter 112. Next you have to select between paper trading and real market trading. If you just want to see what trades it is taking without risking any of your capital, please select paper trading. If you actually want to place trades in your trading account, select real market trading. Next you can select between Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you want to trade both Nifty and Bank Nifty, you have to run two separate instances of the algo. In one you have to select Nifty and in the other you have to select Bank Nifty. So I have two instances of the algo open in front of me. I have Bank Nifty selected in one and Nifty selected in other. If you only want to trade long side alerts, select only long trades. If you want to trade only short side alerts, select only short trades. If you want to trade both long and short alerts, you don't have to select anything. Next you have to enter your Alice Blue client ID that you use every day to log into your account and your API key. Your API key you will find from your Alice Blue account. You have to go to the apps section and API key. From here you have to copy this API key and paste it in the algo window. Once all that is done, you can simply click on start algo. Now this other square off button is provided so that if you see a trade in profit or a loss or any point at which you want to exit the trade without it hitting the take profit or the stop loss levels, you can simply click on square off button. It will exit that trade and then it will take a new trade when a new alert is received. I hope you have understood all the features of the algo. Now let's go back to the mail. Here you can find the documentation of the algo also. In this documentation we have provided a description of how to use the algo and all the features of the algo. You can click here for documentation, you can click here for the English tutorial and click here for the Hindi tutorial. If you still have any further questions, make sure you reach us out on our support or reach us out on our contact numbers that I'm giving in the description. Once you are able to run the software smoothly, make sure you leave us a feedback and let us know your experience with the same. Thank you so much. Take care and happy trading.